just once a year and brings a lot of cheer.